Hey yo guys, it's Jankins Jenkins, and Thanksgiving's over now. I've returned my turkey. I'll be back for him next Thanksgiving. I brought him back to the home I made for him. It's getting cold out here. I'm gonna have to wear my Christmas shirt soon, as Christmas is coming. Jankins Jenkins' favorite holiday. And my hair's in my face. Oh wow, again. Anyways, it's my favorite holiday. Christmas is almost here. And you get to make snowballs, see? Snowball, and you get to throw it. It's not ice yet, It's very... I get to make a snowman for you when it's this kind of weather, You're gonna be excited when you see that, It's almost Christmas, and it's Jankins Jenkins' favorite holiday. I kind of miss my turkey, though, But you'll be hearing some pretty good Christmas songs, like Jankins Jenkins, the best cow of them all. Yeah, you guys will be ready for that. Because, who hasn't heard that song? It's just like Rudolph, but it's Jankins Jenkins, so... those are the best songs around. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Goodbye!